wondered what makes us different? From the plants on the ground, to the very animals that walk around, to even the individual human beings. What makes us different? Well, the answer is meiosis. Meiosis is a form of cellular sexual reproduction that results in two outcomes: genetic reduction and genetic recombination. Now, those two allow for the genetic diversity we see on this earth. As a great man once said, meiosis is a tricky process. Now, join us as we go on an adventure. This is prophase 1. Here, the homologous chromosomes line up side by side. This is called synapsis. At synapsis, the homologous chromosomes are held tightly together and may exchange segments. This exchange is what allows for genetic diversity. The next stage of meiosis is metaphase 1. In this stage, spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes lined up in the center of the cell. This is followed by anaphase 1, where the chromosomes separate and move to opposite sides of the cell. An important thing to note is that the sister chromatids are together, meaning that this stage is not identical to a split in mitosis. The single chromosomes are now reduced from diploid to single haploids. The last stage in meiosis 1 is telophase 1, where the homologous chromosomes lose their spindle fibers and start to uncoil. Telophase 1 is also where cytokinesis forms, resulting in two new haploid cells. This is prophase 2. In this phase, you will see that there is no nuclear membrane and the DNA condenses into chromosomes. As the DNA will be replicated, the sister chromatids will be held together by centromeres. During this time, the centrosomes head towards the poles of the cell. This is metaphase 2. In this stage, spindle fibers guide the chromosomes to the equator of the cell. By the end of this stage, the chromosomes will be lined up. In anaphase 2, the centromeres split apart and the sister chromatids separate from each other. The chromosomes are gathered at opposite ends of the cell. The last stage of meiosis 2 is telophase 2. In this stage, the chromosomes uncoil and a nuclear membrane forms around each set of chromosomes. The tricky process of meiosis is complete. You're still here? It's over. I'm trying to get Trig. Go home. Shoo!